Hey friends! Welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story.
Hi, I am Lucas. When I was a child, I always wanted a shiny new bicycle. All my friends had one, but my family couldn't afford it. So I walked to school every day and watched my friends ride past me, laughing and ringing their bicycle bells. One summer, my uncle came to visit us. He brought me an old bicycle. The paint was scratched, the seat was torn, and one pedal was missing. At first, I didn't even want to touch it. I thought, this is not what I dreamed of. But my uncle smiled and said, "It may not look new, but it can still take you anywhere you want to go." That evening, I tried riding it. It was difficult. The chain kept slipping, and the broken pedal hurt my foot. I almost gave up. But I remembered my uncle's words. So, every day after school, I worked on it, tightening the chain, cleaning the wheels, fixing the seat with tape. Little by little, the bike became mine. It wasn't perfect, but it was strong. I rode it to school, to the park, even to the market for my mom. Soon, I realized something. My bike wasn't just old metal. It was my effort, my patience, and my freedom. Years later, I finally bought myself a brand new bicycle. It was fast and beautiful. But you know what? It never felt the same as that old bike. Because sometimes the things we fix with our own hands mean more than the things we buy with our money.
Words and phrases.
Afford. To afford something means to have enough money to buy it. Example: I can't afford a new car. It's too expensive. Scratched. It means that something has a mark or a cut on its surface. Imagine a thin, shallow line on something that wasn't there before. Example: the car has a big, scratched door. Torn. Torn is the past participle of tear. It means to break something like paper or clothes by pulling. Example: my jeans are torn. Pedal. A pedal is a part of a machine that you push with your foot to make it work. Example: I pushed the pedal on my bicycle to go faster. Chain. A line of metal rings used on machines or bikes. Example: the bike chain is broken. Chain kept slipping. The chain on a bike was falling off many times and not staying in the right place. Example: the bike was hard to ride because the chain kept slipping. Gave up. Gave up is the past tense of the phrasal verb give up. It means to stop trying to do something. Example: she gave up learning to play the piano because it was too hard. Tightening the chain. Making the chain on a bike or machine fit better so it works correctly and does not fall off. Example: my dad is in the garage tightening the chain on my bike. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.